This day and age, happiness has become a myth, and we really don't know what is happening. Is it a surge of adrenaline and surge of emotions, or it's a deep place within you? Hello, hi, and welcome to Ask Alun Anything, where you literally can ask me anything. So I'm your girl Alunda Silva, and I'm pumped and happy to be with you in this session. And before we begin and we dive deep, I want to send a shout out to everyone who has in one way or the other engaged with me in any way, that through liking one of my videos, sharing them, commenting on any of my videos on this platform or any other platform, or even visiting my website askalunanything.com, or even sending me an email. Hey, look, I want to say a big shout out to you and thank you and kudos to you. So today I want to talk about how you can be happy every day. So how to be happy every day? In this day and age, happiness has become a myth, and we really don't know what is happening. Is it a surge of adrenaline and surge of emotions, or it's a deep place within you? I'm not going to go too philosophical on you. I want to share with you what I do personally to be able to keep myself in a happy state, happy mood every single day. So let's dive right into it. So number one, how to be happy. How can you be happy every day? First of all, you have to recognize that it's possible for you to be happy every day. I know the mood swings and everything, but if you can recognize that it's possible for you to be happy every single day, then it will go a long way in helping you. So number one, it's important for you to know that you are enough. So many times the reason why we are not happy is because we think we need other people to complete us. We need other people to do their own part of the puzzle. That's why our own part is not complete. And we feel that because other people have failed to do their part, then it affects us, and then we are unhappy. But if you recognize that you are enough, whether someone do their part or they don't do, you are whole with yourself, enough with that part of your puzzle that you've done, that part of the puzzle that you are. So number one tip is know that you are enough. It doesn't matter what happens, it doesn't matter what's happening in your situation, but tell yourself, I'm enough. In this situation I am right now, I am enough. And that's the only thing that matters. I need nobody to complete me. I don't need to wait for any particular situation. I don't need to wait for anything, any material thing to complete me. I myself, I am enough. So whenever I'm in a state where it seems that this feeling of happiness wants to come, what I do, I tell myself that I'm enough. No matter what happens, I am enough. And secondly, I want you to understand that it's impossible for you to like others or to love others if you don't love yourself. So my number two tips to be happy every day is for you to love yourself first. Loving yourself first is not selfish. Loving yourself first is creating a foundation, a basis to be able to love others and give your best to the world. So number two tip for you to be happy every day, know that love yourself first. Whatever you have to do to love yourself, do it first. Create that foundation, because when you are happy, you can give your whole potential. You can give your whole self to people around you. You can contribute to the world in a major way. So it's important for you to know to love yourself first. Take yourself out. Enjoy yourself. Buy yourself new stuff. Whatever you need to make yourself happy. Love yourself first, because you know what? It's impossible for you to love others if you don't love yourself. It's important for you to know that you've got to love yourself first, and it's not selfish. It's part of the puzzle. It's for you. Is you creating the foundation. And thirdly, what I do to be able to be happy every day is to treat myself the way I treat someone I love. It's very important. It's so profound. Treat yourself the way you treat someone that you love. If you have a partner, if you have a loved one, a family member that you love so much, how do you treat them? Many times, many of us, I myself, I'm guilty charged on me, guilty upon this. I tend to kind of give my best to others and then sacrifice myself. Many times I give everything out and then I have nothing left for me. But then, you know what? Treat yourself the way you treat your loved ones. because it's when you treat yourself and your cup is full and overflowing that you can actually give your best to others. You know, all these three tips are linked together. But then I know that if you practice this slowly, you're going to get better at it. So remember, number one tip to be happy every day is know that you are enough. Number two is that you should love yourself first before you can love any other person. And number three is treat yourself like someone that you love. Now these points are very profound, you know. Even talking to you about them, they kind of move me, because I know many times I've sacrificed myself a lot for people that I love, but at the end I end up being sad and not happy, and I'm not fulfilled. But then if you practice these things that I'm sharing with you, you end up feeling full, happy, joyful every day, and the people around you will feel that, and they in turn will be happy, and you can give your best to the world. So yeah, this is your girl Alunda Silva, you know, and I'm happy that you took the time to watch this video, and I hope that you got little nuggets from this. And if you have gotten anything from this video, if this video have helped you in any way, please leave me a comment below and tell me how it has helped you. I'm committed to reading your comments and even liking them as much as I can. And then if you think that there's someone you know that needs to listen to this video, share this video with your friends and your loved ones, and give me a like if you've got any special things from this video. And I'm looking forward to seeing you in my next video. But before I leave you today, I want to let you know that, hey, I'm with you on the journey. You're not on this by yourself. You're not on this journey alone by yourself. And remember that life was never meant to be done alone, you know. So stay connected, be you, stay happy, and I'll see you in my next video.